How to log in PayPal in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can log into PayPal. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Logging into your PayPal account is fairly simple. You can either use paypal.com from your browser, or you could launch the PayPal application on your mobile phone. Once you launch the PayPal app, this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Here, if you don't have an account first, you can tap the sign up button to create an account. But if you already have an account, then tap on the login button that you can see there. You can choose one of your saved passkeys or password which you saved to your password manager based on the phone you're using. Or you can choose to enter the email and password manually. So enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Or if you want to log in using your phone number, tap on use phone number instead and use the phone number. Or you can just use the email. Then simply type in your password. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on this I button here to see the password you typed in. In case you forgot your password, you can reset it by tapping the forgot password button, and it will send a verification link to your email to reset it. But if both your credentials are correct, you can just tap on the login button over here and it will successfully log you into your PayPal account. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.